Hey everyone, Vintage Fan Collector here, and today we have a very worn out matte black Outdoor Patio Fan from Craftmade. I believe this was probably made in the early 2000s or so. Not quite sure. I'm about to take it down and see. But I figured I'd make a video of this before I remove it and replace it with a brand new one. So this is about probably 15-20 years old, as I mentioned, and it's been outside in front of a lake its whole life. So this is what it looks like. Has our breeze light kit, because why not? And it definitely has seen some wear, but it still works. It's just not at its prime, and it's kind of got some paint issues, so...
It's just time for it to go.
Yeah, I mean, outdoor fans aren't made to last forever, so this is pretty normal. And it's got some bad bearings, too. There's low. Ouch. Ouch, hit myself on the ladder. But you can hear it, it's loud. So I'm replacing it with a galvanized steel finish outdoor patio fan with weathered pine blades and a large lantern light kit. And I'll make a video of that as well. I smell marijuana. They be on it.
Mm-hmm.
Those people on the boat are on some weed.
Can I have some?
Oh goodness, dear. And here's high speed. Dang it, Pulchins. Tired.
It's just done. It's time.
Yeah. And it doesn't go as fast as it should either.
Vroom.
But it still moves air. There goes a boat. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, the light kit was added later. It's a newer Harbor Breeze light kit with the candelabra base sockets. So yeah, I can't wait to put up the new one, but this one's going to be kind of gross to take apart. Ugh. It's going to suck. I'll be using gloves and stuff anyway. Which is nasty. That's just nasty.
Nasty!
Yeah, Jared power washed it and it didn't really do much, apparently. So, anyway, that's that. Hope y'all enjoyed and thank you for watching. Until next time.